2012 Ford Ranger diesel particulate filter cleaning. The water temperature in the machine is high, and we do before and after test results. This is who we are. We specialize on DPF, ECU, AdBlue, NOx problems, and we are the masters in our field. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel. If you have any DPF, ECU, AdBlue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, you can call me. And my number once again, 07533636194. Now the machine is steaming up, we can't see inside because there's a high temperature. Thanks for watching.